Living with a phobia. Many people feel afraid sometimes. Being scared is a normal feeling. But some people have a strong fear of something that does not really cause danger. This is called a phobia. A phobia is more than just fear. It is a deep and strong fear that can affect a person's daily life. There are many different kinds of phobias. Some people are afraid of heights, while others are afraid of small spaces, spiders, or flying. For example, Fatima is afraid of dogs. When she sees a dog, she feels nervous and her heart beats fast. Even if the dog is small and friendly, she still feels scared. Her fear does not make sense to others, but for her, it is real. It is not reasonable to be afraid of a calm dog, but a phobia is not always about logic. Phobias are actually quite common. Many people have them, and they are not alone. Some people have phobias about going to the doctor or dentist. Others are afraid of germs or sickness. People with a fear of germs often worry about getting a disease. They wash their hands many times a day, clean everything, and stay away from crowded places. Sometimes, a phobia can start after a bad experience. For example, if someone is bitten by a dog as a child, they might become afraid of all dogs. That one moment can affect them for a long time. In other cases, people are not sure why they are afraid, they just know the fear is there. Phobias can decrease the quality of life. People may stop doing things they enjoy just to avoid their fear. For example, someone with a fear of flying may never travel by plane. A person who is afraid of water might not go to the beach or swim in a pool. This fear can stop them from feeling pleasure in life. To treat a phobia, it is important to talk about it. Talking to a doctor or therapist can help. Many people learn ways to face their fear slowly. This is called exposure therapy. It helps the person feel less afraid over time. For example, someone with a fear of spiders might start by looking at a picture of a spider. Later, they might be able to look at a real one without feeling so scared. Sometimes, reading a report or article about a phobia can help people understand that they are not alone. Learning more about fear can help it feel less strong. It also helps people contain their feelings. When you know more, you can make better choices and feel more in control. Phobias do not mean someone is weak. They are a type of mental health issue, like stress or anxiety. Even brave people can have fears. What matters is how they deal with it. Getting help and trying to face the fear is a strong and smart step. Sometimes, fear can become violent, especially if the person feels trapped. A person with a fear of small spaces might panic if they get stuck in an elevator. They might shout, cry, or try to escape. These strong reactions can be hard for others to understand, but they are part of the phobia. It's important not to laugh at someone's fear or call it silly. What seems SMA?